So bless upon yourself. And you done know the thing go. That's how my soup look. And yeah, you guys can also. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Rico. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. This pot how we're gonna use. Alright. So we're gonna put some oil inside of the pot. This is some olive oil. Right, so olive oil is important for you guys to use. Okay, so what we're gonna do, all right, we're gonna get some carrot. This is a carrot. Using some carrot first. Yeah. Carrot. So that's the first carrot. Sweet potato. Sweet potato and carrot right here. More big up yourself, you don't know guard it. More carrot. So that's the white onion. Lots of garlic. Nice soup for you guys. Never met before. Look at that. You need to sweat it off first. Alright, you can sweat it off and when you sweat it off, so you're good to go. Just have to sweat it off. Good vibes, people. Yeah, that's why I sweat it off and yeah. What I'm gonna do, put some paprika inside of it. Paprika. Cajun season. Little bit of garlic powder. Mixed herb. Little bit of basil, you know. Mix it up. So you have to cut them really small for them to cook quick. Some water. I'm using hot water. Sea salt. Black pepper. This is veg stock, your favorite. Yeah, man, veg stock. Mix it. Look at that, guys. All right. that cook for a little bit. And good vibes. Yeah, so we have to do it in our kitchen. Make it right. So we're gonna blend it up. Right. So we're gonna remove it from that, put it into my blender, because I don't have that blender where I don't know where I do it. So we have to put it into this smoothie blender and blend it. Alright, so that's what's gonna happen. Let's turn off the cooker. So I put it in this one and I'm gonna blend this up, okay? Now we're going to pour this inside of it like this. Alright, then we're gonna get some hot water. And simple. Rinse it out like that. Alright, give that a mix like this. Alright, guys, this kind of soup I've been making them for so long, so the experience behind it is incredible. Alright, plugging back this one and then get back some more heat right here. Okay, now let's try something, cause this is how it look. Right. This is amazing. Wow. A little bit more liquid. This is fantastic and an amazing one. Honestly, this is what? Carrot and sweet potato soup. All right, that's how it look. That is such a beautiful one, guys, honestly. Excellent. So we're gonna make that just simmer down for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna shear it up. Turn off this one. Too much heat underneath it now, because I don't want it to, just want it to simmer. Lovely. Okay, take this off of the heat now, because this is ready. All right, guys. Yeah, man, this is proper good. So bless upon yourself. And you don't know the thing go. That's how my soup look. And yeah, you guys can also make this at home. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And please subscribe. Get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose. Good vibes, people. Look at that. Amazing.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Rico's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.